Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we're back doing our favorite thing, unboxings. What are we doing today? Main Street Mail. So we've done this one other time, and we really liked it. That was their $60 box. This is their $100 box. We upgraded to try this one out, and this is coming up right now. Alright, so, like I said, this is their $100 box. They charge $15 in shipping. Well, they charged me $14.84 shipping, but it actually cost them $19.65 to ship. So I'm not mad at that. This is their Castle Correspondent Box, and as I said before, this is through Cratejoy, and I'll give you a link for a discount later, but so far, their preferences are extremely detailed, and we really like the last box. So let's get into this one and see how we feel about this one. Ready? Oh, there's a note. So it says, Chris, we hope you love these items we selected for you. Have a magical day, Main Street Mail. And there is a watercolor. So, this surprises me. It really surprised me the last time. I was kind of hoping one was in here this time. One of the girls paints and does drawings and, you know, does a sketch and puts it in each box. These are done by her, and they're really good. This one is dopey, right? It's dopey. So I'll put a closer picture of this in the photo box, boop, so you can check that out. It's just a nice touch, and I'll put the handwritten note boop, so you can check that out. It's a very cool personal touch, and they're a very new company. They're working very hard to set themselves apart. One of the things, and I don't know if it'll be in here or not, but one of the things that they offer that I have yet to see from anybody else is vintage products. You can opt out of that. You can select that you don't want any vintage products, but I opted in because, you know, you can get some cool stuff that you can't actually buy anymore, so I thought that was pretty cool. Last time we got a framed print and we just stuck it on the wall. We didn't have to mess with it or anything. So that was very cool. So, what did I do here? This way. Okay. Oh, this is something cool. Alright, so let's start with whatever this is. No confetti, but I can throw packing bags. See what this is. Oop, nothing. Oh! That is so cool. So, I've never seen this one. So we have gotten some custom magic bands before, but we've always bought them. I've never gotten one from a box. And this one is incredible. It has Walt on one side with one of the original Mickey Mouse plushes, and the other side is a bunch of the original Mickey Mouse plushes. I will put a close-up picture in the photo box, boop, so you can see that. That is really cool. I'm super happy to have that. And it says it was a limited release. I'm glad to have it. That's a really good start. Alright. Now, we have, and I think they do a spoiler sheet at the end that explains what everything is and the value of everything, if I remember correctly. This definitely looks vintage, and I think I know what it is, and it's pretty cool. So this is definitely vintage, and it definitely looks like an ashtray, but we're going to call this a key dish. But look at how cool that is. You can set our keys in there. This, I wonder when this is from, because that is nothing anytime recent that they made, but that is really cool. I'm glad to have that. we will find out more, I'm sure, when I see the spoiler sheet, so we will check that out. But I will put a close-up picture, boop, so you can see it now. That's really cool. I was just looking to see if there was a date on it or anything, but I don't see one on it. Nice. See, that's the thing, like, you'd never find this anywhere else, so it's pretty cool to have that option. Looks like... Oh. So last time they sent me... What did they send me of? Yes, the vintage postcard of Mickey painting Walt. And she had contacted me and said, if you like that, I think I have a pin that matches that. And that's what this is. That is so cool. Let me just give you a close-up picture in the photo box, boop, so you can check it out. I just love that. So it's Mickey seeing his reflection in the mirror and then painting Walt. It's just such a cool concept. All right, things are going very well. Let's see what we have going on here. Presto Muggo. Oh, this is so cool. So obviously I really like Mickey, but I really like Haunted Mansion and Pirates and a bunch of other stuff. This is a Pirates mug. It says, not a morning person, earn your rest, U-R-N, at the Haunted Mansion. And it comes with, well, it's strapped in there right now, but this shovel comes out as a spoon to stir with. I'll put a, well, boop. That is awesome. That's 20 bucks in the park. Purple on the inside, and on the back it's got a couple headstones and one says RIP on it. That is awesome. I am using that in the morning. I promise you that. That is too cool. All right, moving on. What is this one? Let's check it out. Well, that's cool. So I'm not sure if this was... who did this, or if this is a postcard in there. It's framed and it has the, you know, so it can... It's really cool. I don't know who made it, though, or if it's... well, I would imagine. We're gonna find out. I will... Boop! That's really cool. Man. Alright, so I believe we've got one more thing. So we do collect... Wait, what is this? We hope you enjoy your box. Please be sure to follow us on... Okay. If you want to see that, I'll... Boop. Alright. So, we do collect Jim Shore, so we're always happy to see red boxes. This is my first blue box. And I'm not sure who does the designs for these. Precious Moments. That's who does it. So, oh, this looks like it's a calendar too. Let's check it out. Oh, this is super cute. So, yeah, it's a calendar, and like magic, it has today's date. Look at how cute he is. I swear, my next tattoo is going to be Steamboat Willie. That is super cool. So, yeah, it says this is made by Precious Moments. I've never collected any of that stuff before. When I think Precious Moments, I think of the big-headed kids, you know. But this is super cute. I don't know, that's what I think of. Let me throw a turntable picture, boop, so you can check it out. Oh, that is so nice. It's going to fit really well with the Jim Shores, too. All right, so cute, huh? All right, let's look at the spoiler sheet so we can kind of see what we've got going here. Okay, so I'll throw this up so you can see it. Boop. So we've got calendar, $38. That's that. Mug, $19.99. Pin, $10.50. The key dish. See, I was right. Vintage, estimated value $10. So everything that we've gotten from them that said vintage, I feel is undervalued. I mean, if I saw this like at a antique shop or something, I'd spend $20 on that. So I mean, cool. Keychain. No keychain. So it says that there's a keychain for $10, but I think this is what took its place, because this isn't on the sheet either. So I guess the mystery will go on as to, I might open this up and see if it's a postcard or something, just to figure out if one of them may have drawn it, or if it's just a, I don't know. You know what? Let's find out right now. Wait! This just in! I was folding up the box. I found something. I think it might be a keychain. Let's take a look. So, it is a yep, $10.90. It's a Lounge Fly Keychain with Eeyore on it. I will put a better picture, boop, so you can check it out. Just yesterday, Mary was redoing all of our keychains because we had some new ones and we came up one short for her. How perfect is that? So, what I said about the 11937 and not knowing what this is, I think that one of them may have drawn this for me because this was this, a smaller one, and they framed it and everything. So that's not even on their sheet as something that they count as being worth something. How cool is that? So yeah, I'm super happy. I mean, now we gotta be like, I feel like 150, 160 in value for $115 investment. Whether they think it's that high or not, doesn't matter. It depends on what I think it's worth, right? So, very happy. All right, back to where we were. And the mystery continues. So it's just a blank piece of paper on the back. I really think that someone may have drawn this or something. I don't know. But I guess I'll find out. I'm sure they will shoot me an email when they see that it wasn't a keychain and it was something else. And when they let me know what it is, I will let you know in the next time we do one of their boxes, which we'll do again because I really enjoy their boxes. And the last thing that was on the spoiler sheet, nothing, was the Magic Band, and that was $30. So the box was $100, shipping was $14.84, and their box value is $119.37. And again, I think they're a little bit light on this. So I would say that it's more like $130 value, personally. But I'm glad that they always kind of shoot low on those vintage ones, because that could be hit or miss too. I mean, you may not think that having this is cool, but I do. Alright, so if you would like to try a box from Main Street Mail, you can use our code DD10, boop, and we will put a link down in the description of our video. So if you hit the little triangle at the corner, go down to the description, there is a link. If you click on that and enter the DD10 to that will save you 10% on your first box, but only if it's your first time ordering from them. That being said, I'm a happy guy. If you'd like to take a look at our last video, it was Magic at Your Door Magical AF box. And click the link right here, and if you'd like to subscribe to our channel, click the button right here. I hope you're having a great day.